Harley-Davidson has revived one of its most legendary names. Meet the all-new 2026 Super Glide, a motorcycle that blends classic American heritage with modern performance. First introduced in the early 1970s, the Super Glide became an icon among cruiser motorcycles. Now, Harley brings the legend back with a modern interpretation that honors its rich history. Every detail reflects Harley-Davidson's timeless design language, from the chrome accents and classic fuel tank to the wire-spoke wheels and unmistakable cruiser stance. Power comes from Harley's Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, delivering impressive low-end torque and the signature exhaust note that defines Harley-Davidson experience. Built for effortless cruising, the Super Glide offers smooth acceleration, predictable handling, and a relaxed riding experience that's perfect for long-distance journeys. On the road, the motorcycle feels balanced and confidence-inspiring. The upright riding position and stable chassis make every mile enjoyable, whether in the city or on the open highway. Despite its retro appearance, the Super Glide features modern technology, including selectable ride mode, cornering ABS, traction control, and a multifunction digital display. Comfort is another strong point. The relaxed ergonomics and smooth suspension make the Super Glide an excellent companion for weekend adventures, long-distance touring. Starting at around $16,000 in the United States, the Super Glide offers a unique combination of heritage, craftsmanship, and modern engineering. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Super Glide isn't just another cruiser. It's a celebration of Harley's legendary heritage, delivering timeless style, modern technology, and the unmistakable soul of an American icon. Thanks for watching Factory Sport. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next ride.